Good evening, Principal Ma'am, and all my dear parents and my lovely children. Okay, now you want to know what are the achievements we got the previous year? Do you want to know? Yes, so I'm very happy to do this because I'm going to announce what are the achievements we have in the previous year. Okay, so learning is not attained by chance. It must be sought for with ardor and attained with diligence. Cambridge Global School is a vision of 21st century school which believes itself to be one of the best in discovering, developing, inculcating a comprehensive and holistic education which caters to the physical, emotional, social and cognitive development of children. As we approach the end of this year and our 10 glorious years of service towards providing quality education since inception in 2012, I take this opportunity to thank the Almighty God for His abundant blessings and guidance. I feel elated to present the 10th annual report of Cambridge Global School. So for the year 2022-23, this year was marked with joyful learning, celebrations, competitions and achievements. The faculty and staff are its most valuable asset and key to success the school as an enthusiastic and dedicated team of teachers. The students of class 10 of academic year 2021-22 shown their tremendous effort and got the fantastic result. Out of 30 students, 15 received 90%. So I'm very happy and it's a success of all the students and even the teacher and management. And every student was happy from Cambridge Global School to secure 90% and 10 received above 80% and so on. Here Devisri received 10 points. So out of 10 she got 10. So she secured full out of full marks. Yes, this is a moment where we have to celebrate our Cambridge Global School is one of the greatest school in India and Avantika 99.8 points. So she secured 9.8% and so these are the results from 2022 to 23 and Harshal, Akanksha they got 9.7 and so on. Not only these and many of our students they crossed 9 above, okay, and here Devisri secured second prize and Harshal secured third prize in a Max Olympiad test conducted by Vignan Bharati School. So there was a Vignan Bharati School test conducted and in the school our student took the second and third prizes. It was a great achievement by our Cambridge. And this year, we are in the development of an ideal curriculum with the perfect blend of education, materials like interactive panel board and learning activities like Learn Smart Kits for mathematics. These both proved boon to give practical education to students. So, every student, they are going to learn each concept clearly by using a panel boards and a Learn Smart classes will help them a lot to improve their skills. And we are proud to announce that our students from Cambridge Global School achieved gold medal in maths and 3 students achieved gold medal in science. So there are achievements in maths and science where the students mostly feel difficult, but here our students are achieving a gold medals in even they are not feeling that as a difficult subject. They love the subject. through the explanation of teachers, they are loving subject and securing a good marks in the subjects. Not only in education. So now, up to now, I said about how is our education and how our students are performing. But now I'm going to say Cambridge Global School believes in all-round development. So always Cambridge focus on children's all development. They have to be perfect in activities. They have to be perfect in education. They have to be perfect in every skill. Okay, that is a motivation and given by our Cambridge to the students. So all-round development of child, we even tried them in Bhagavad Gita shlokas. As you now saw how the children are performing, how they are slanting the shlokas with perfection. So we are very great to have a Bhagavad Gita shlokas implementation, and we are glad to announce that Ritika from class 10 achieved state first and children Sahiti from 5th class achieved district second. So these are the two children who achieved in Bhagavad Gita medals. And 3G Abacus is one of the main activity of C Global School. So everyone, they are going to do mathematics very clearly and with a speed. And school we are provide to say that C Global is the first school in South India to app 3G Abacus, which help the students a lot to improve their concentration and memory. So even in the total South India, if you see, our Cambridge Global Skill is the first school to apt a 3G Abacus to give a better improvement and to improve the skills of students in the maths. And we conducting Maths Fair on National Maths Day. Even all the parents are invited. We have checked all the projects, how they did, and this was held on 22nd December, which was a good platform for students. Not only learning, they are able to showcase what they have learned in front of parents. It will allow the students to avoid their fear to present their projects in front of everyone. So this way of learning is helpful for their future. When they are going to face any stage in the future, that fear will be not there in their faces. So this is going to be our achievement, and which was a good platform for students to showcase their maths skill practically. Science fair was also conducted on 25th March, where students shown their creativity, knowledge, speaking skills, while Cambridge to the entertainment side. So now I am going to say Cambridge towards the entertainment. All the Cambridge students, did you enjoy the previous year? So through your energetic voice, I can understand that you have enjoyed a lot. With you, we all teachers also enjoyed a lot. Okay, so we had different experience of excursion. We visited Zoo Park, even we went to the Zoo Park, Golconda, Hidden Castle, which was a unique experience. Every excursion, it gives a knowledge to the student. It's not only like an excursion going to some place. They are able to learn something from that excursion is a good motive. And India is, we know we are all Indians, is it? We are all? Yes. So we must secular. What is meant by secular? Anyone? So secular. Do you want to answer? Someone answering, but it's not clear. Okay, secular, respecting all religion. So as an Indian, we must respect all the religions. So our Cambridge Global School giving preference to all the religions and celebrating every festival in a grand way in the school to know, to give a practical education to the children, to know about each festival, what they are celebrating and why they are celebrating that festival. Okay, so we give equal respect to all religion and culture. This we shown through our festival celebrations. We celebrated Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Independence Day, Sankranti, Holi, Christmas, and so on. So not only this, every festival will be celebrated in our Cambridge Global School to give a practical knowledge to the student. It is with profound sense of gratitude that I record the contribution of parents to the process and well-being of institution. A good support is maintained between parents and staff. We really thank the parents for their love. Yes, we really love parents, and with your cooperation only it will be successful. So every